Correct way to iterate over a data frame using multiple conditionals. I have a dataset of football matches as a pandas data frame in the form below. I'd like to track results by team in a dictionary of lists. Liverpool column, W, West Ham column, W, D, L, etc. My approach naturally is to iterate over all the rows with conditionals. Below is pseudocode. I believe I can do this using df.iteros, but I know this isn't the desired approach in general with pandas. Is there a way I can do this kind of operation while taking advantage of the power of pandas data frames? I have seen that df.home equals df.result returns a series of true/false values, but I don't know how to utilize this or extend it to the multiple conditions described above. I have also seen np.where and np.select from this answer, but I don't see it being applicable to this situation where I want to do something based off the outcome of a conditional on each row, using an entry in the row as a key. It feels as though iteration is the only solution here. I'm sure pandas would support something like this, but I have no idea how to search for it.
Here is one approach using dataframe.mel, numpy.select and dataframe.groupy with list aggregation. In B, I've added a rematch between Liverpool and Norwich City to your sample data to show how the output should look where a team appears more than once. Out.
You can naturally get a formula per team, something like this. Basically, for each unique team name, we're getting a data frame for games they were in, then taking the results column and using map to turn their name into W and draw into D. Anything else becomes NaN, so we use filna to turn those into L and then use list. Out. Timer edit. This solution seems -10% slower than Chris A's, as tested on a random home/away/result dataset with len 1 million.